dear student, good morning student. Now take page number 23 in general knowledge book Global Indians. Exercise A. Many Indians or people of India origin have earned a name for themselves around the world. Name the achievers in the oral exercise. First, he is an accomplished actor. His films include Slumdog Millionaire and The Man Who Knew Identity, Dev Patel. Second, in 2015, he became the CEO of Google at the age of 43. तो वो थे सुधर पिचाई. Third, in 2014, he became the second CEO of Microsoft. Satya Nadella. Fourth, a psychist engineer and the inventor settled in the USA. His name is synonymous with small speakers that generate big sound. He died in 2013. Amar Gopal Bose. 5. Born Kamaljeet Singh Jyoti. He is a very popular singer in Britain. Jai Singh. 6. A former tennis player. He has produced more than 100 Hollywood films. His company's name is Hyde Park Entertainment. Ashok Amritraj. 7. A Canadian citizen. She is a huge star on YouTube, on the stage with hero solo comic actor Lily Singh. 8. She directed band It Like Beckham, Bride and the Prejudice, and in 2010 it is a wonderful afterlife. Gorinder Chadha. Then turn the page. On that page we have to learn about crevals. Yes, जो होते हैं ना क्रेपी क्रेवाल्स. यस. सो यहाँ पे उनके स्पाइसेस है इंसेक्ट है अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड पाए जाते हैं. हार्बिवोरस, हंटर्स, decomposers, plant pollinators and the disease courage. So exercise first. This bug attract the female of the species by singing. Name it cicada. Second, what is the more common name for termites? White ants. Third, apis is the scientific name for which insect? Bee. Where would you find a silverfish? Old books. Second, what are they? Bhutan glory, peacock, swallowtail, naga, hedge, blue. ये सारे कौन है? बटरफ्लाइज. फिर असम मून, पेल, टुसॉक, ब्रह्मा, ओक, ईगर. ये क्या है? मॉथ्स. फिर थर्ड वन वायोलिन, लॉन्गहॉर्न, स्टेग, गोलिथ, फ्रॉग. ये क्या है? बेटल्स. रेड लेग्ड टरेंटुला, ब्लैक विडो, कार्डिनल. ये है स्पाइडर्स. इंपेरियल, मार्बल, डेजर्ट, स्कॉर्पियंस. ये सारी उनकी काइंड्स है, आई मीन उसकी जात है. देन टर्न द पेज. ऑन दैट पेज वी हैव टू लर्न अबाउट द एनिमल्स विथ अ डिफरेंट सी. आइडेंटिफाई द एनिमल एंड राइट द करेक्ट आंसर. फर्स्ट है इट्स नेम लिटरली मीन्स स्लीपी माउस and it formed the largest group of hibernating mammals in winter to preserve its body heat. It curls up in nets which are built in tree hollows and goes into deep sleep, waking up only to eat, drink or perform other bodily functions. Dormouse. Yes, you can see in the picture. Second, native to North America, Europe and Asia, it builds up fat reserve from the autumn in preparations for the cold month by feeding on berries and radish, a dandelion with grass and other vegetation. It then goes into the dormancy, emerge in the spring with its weight cut down by half. Beer. Third, not all of these redents, but in the ones they do, the body temperature drop from the 37 to 4 Celsius or even lower and body weight for drastically squirrel. Fourth, it falls tree to build its home or lows near water bodies. This dome shaped home, often with an underwater entry. Dam up the water body, they are built around and change the ecology of area. That it is a beware. 5 and 6 in your homework. Okay student. Then turn the page in रिसेंट ईयर्स यानी कि फ़िलहाल जिसे हम कहते हैं ताज़ेतर में जो कुछ घटना बनी है उसके अबाउट फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. फर्स्ट है टेम्परेचर इन सिटीज अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड could be 8 Celsius higher by 2100 if global warming. जो भी टेम्परेचर में डिफरेंस आती है तो वो क्या होता है ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. एंड द conservations of water bodies continue. Cities cover only 1% of the Earth's surface but are the responsible for 60% of the global carbon emission. सेकेंड है स्टूडेंट फर्स्ट में जो हमारे ग्लोबल वार्मिंग की वजह से जो भी टेम्परेचर में हाईनेस लोनेस आता है उसके अबाउट है. सेकेंड, इन मई 2017 बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट at the venue of the arena concert in the Manchester left 22 of her young friends dead and many more injured. And this bomb blast caused many of dead bodies. Third, every year of the Worldwide Fund Natural WWF celebrate World of Penguin Day on 25 April, approximate date when these birds begin their annual northward migration. Then 5 to 9 in your homework. Then student, exercise B. Which country is ranked as one of the world's healthiest nation? So that is Italy. Second, the United Nations celebrate World Water Day on 22 March in 2017. Its slogan was Why Waste Water? तो 22 मार्च को वाटर डे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. द WWF ऑब्जर्व अर्थ आवर ऑन 25 मार्च. पीपल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू टर्न ऑफ लाइट्स and electrically appliances that don't require for an hour from 8:30 to 9:13 p.m. local time as a mark of their commitment to saving our planet. Then fourth, the European Union is an economic and the political entity of 28 states of Europe, which was formed in 1993. The Europe is its currency, which city is its capital, Brussels. Then 5. In 2017, which country's parliament voted to exit from the EU after its people did the same in referendum in 2016, United Kingdom. Then 6 to 8 doing your homework. Student, I hope you all understand well. So thank you for listening me.